Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing for this Friday, July 6th. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Let's see what this is coming from. King. Alright, links will be down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime fast shipping and get this at a low cost. Alright. Go. Alright, I remember this. This is DoDoeleph Syma FPV RC drone, 720 HD Wi-Fi video training quadcopter for beginners. Alright, let's take a look. Oh boy, bada boom. Look at this thing. FPV. There they are. DoDoeleph Syma. Oh boy, here we go. Cut there. Bada boom, there she is. Let's go. And then we got this side open up and see what she is about. Here we go. Whoa, this is really nice. I'm gonna raise you guys up a little, drop you down. Boom. Look at that thing. You guys can see wingspan, that camera. Oh, sorry about that. Really nice. Here's the USB, or the battery goes. The battery goes in here. Well, turning on. Alright. Here we have an in-flight. We got more extra propellers. Really nice. And here's a... Ooh, this is nice. Probably need batteries. Oh boy. Yep. The for your phone slot. Oh, see, it does work. Oh. There we go. Decline. We got protectors, the blades. Oh, comes with a screwdriver, USB port. Really nice. This is must be the battery. Bam, that's really cool. So that does, the battery goes there, and oh, this is the camera. Look at that. Ooh. Here is a camera. So tiny. Really cool. Put that in. Oh, here's for the cell phone holder. If you want to use it like that, you can. You don't have to. It's an option. Battery, screwdriver. This is gonna be a late video. Sorry about it, guys. Just one of those days. UPS came late. It's probably gonna be AA, I would assume. Yep. You know, AA slots. Put that there really quick. I got them in hand. There we go. Pop one in. This is a really cool gift. Teenagers, young adults, grandparents, something to try out at least once. Definitely cooler than remote control cars. Used to have a lot of those back in the day, but this is definitely cool. Get to fly something. Here we go. Almost there, guys. Okay. Well. Oh geez. Whoa. Uh-oh. It won't come down. Oh. Alright. Right on, right on. It does fly. So there you go, YouTubers. The Syma DoDoeleph X5UW sweet drone. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend.